Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, assistant teacher of mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deshif. Dear student, look, today our topic is 8.8 exercise 2. 8.8 exercise 2, question number 2, which is taken from your book, page number 101. Page number 101. Our lecture number 4, HW number 2. Student, after finishing the lecture, I will show you what is your HW. Okay, student? Look. Student, look. Our topic is 8.8 exercise 2, page number 108, and the problem is do addition. Do addition. Student, this is addition of fraction. This is addition of fraction. In the previous class and the class 4, in the first or half year exam, you know about the normal addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, but in 8.8 exercise, you have to teach now addition with fraction. Addition with fraction. Okay, student, look, question number 1. You see here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. You know 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. At first we have to do the LCM of 4 and 2. 4 and 2. You know 4 and 2. At first you have to select 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now LCM is what? You see LCM is what? LCM 2 into 2. That means what? 4. Student, this is the rough section. Okay. So after writing, you reduce this or erase. Okay. Therefore, you have got the LCM is 4. Right here, 4. Now look, at first you have to divide 4. This 4 by 4. Then you get 1. 1 into 1. 1 plus similarly divide this 4 by 2, then you get 2. 2 1s are 2. Okay, student, this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 4, and this is the answer. Okay, student. Similarly, I will solve question number 3. Look, what is your task? At first we have to do the LCM of 6 and 8. Okay, at first we have to do the LCM of 6 and 8. Okay, student, look, how can 6, 8? Look here, between 6 and 8, here 2 is the common prime factor. Okay, so select here 2, then divide 6 by 2, then you get what? 3. Similarly, divide 8 by 2, then you get what? 4. Now, there is no common prime number between 3 and 4. Okay, all are different. Therefore, LCM is what? LCM is what? 2 into 3 into 4. This is equal to what? 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Okay, student, this is the LCM. Therefore, we have got the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Right here, 24. Now divide 24 by 6. Same. Every addition and subtraction rules are same. Okay, at first you have to divide 24 by 6. Then you get 4. Now 4 into 1 equal to what? 4. Now divide 24 by 8. Then you get what? 3. Now 3 3s are what? 9. 3 3s are 9. Now 9 plus 4 equal to 13. Right here, 13 by 24, and this is the answer. Okay, student? Student, you see question 1, 3, all rules are same. But what we do at first, we do the LCM of 6 and 8. Then you get what? 24. Then you have got 24. Now second step, what is the second step? Divide 24 by 6. Then we get 4 because 4 6 are 24. Now multiply with 1, then 4 ones are 4 plus plus. Similarly, divide 24 by 8, then you get what? 3. Now multiply with 3, that means 3 into 3 equal to 9. Now 9 plus 4 equal to 13 and denominator 24, denominator 24. Okay, this is the answer. Now see question now 5. Okay student, now see question now 5. Look here, 2 by 9 plus 5 by 12. What is your first task? Mind it, your first task is do the LCM. Do the LCM. This is your first work. Look, 9 and 12. 9 and 12. Select here between 9 and 12 a common prime number. Common prime number is 3. Now divide 9 by 3, then you get 3. Similarly, divide 12 by 3, then you get 4. Okay, now see between 3 and 4 there is no common prime number except 1. But you know, now you have to do the LCM equal to what? 3 into 3 into 4. This is equal to what? 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Therefore, the LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. Okay, now write down the 36. Now, second step. Second step, divide 36 by 9. Divide 36 by 9. Then you get what? 4. Now 4 into 2, which is the third step. 4 into 2 equal to what? 4 to the 8. Student, look. At first, second step is what? Divide 36 by 9. 4 9s are 36. Okay. Then multiply 4 with 2. 4 into 2 means what? 8. Right here 8. Plus divide 36 by 12. Then you get what? 3. Now multiply 3 with 5. This is equal to what? 15. Okay student, divide 36 by 12. Then we get what? 3. Now 3 5s are 15. Now write 15 plus 8 equal to what? 23. And this is the answer. Now see question number 7. 3 and 5. Look, 3 and 15. Here 3, 5. Therefore LCM is what? 3 into 5. This is equal to what? 15. Therefore LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. Now divide 15 by 3. Then you get what? 5. Now 5 to the 10. Similarly, divide 15, this 15 by 15, then you get 1. 1 into 2 equal to what? 2. Now this is equal to what? 12 by 15. 12 by 15. Now see, between 12 and 15, there is a common prime number. Okay, you can divide 12 by 3, then you get what? 4. Similarly, divide 15 by 3, then you get what? 5. I repeat, divide 12 by 3, then you get what? 4. Similarly, divide 15 by 3, then you get what? 5. Therefore, our answer is what? 4 by 5. And this is the answer. Now, question now 9. You see, 15 and 5. Look, 15 and 5. Between 15 and 5, 5 is the common prime number. That means 3, then 1. That means LCM is what? 3 into 5. 3 into 5 equal to 15. Now the LCM is 15. First step finished, then second step, divide this 15 by 15, then you get 1. 1 into 4 equal to 4 plus plus. Now divide this 15 by 5, then you get what? 3. 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6. Okay, student? I repeat, 15 divided by 15, then you get 1. 1 into 4, 4. Plus plus. Divide 15 by 5, then you get 3. Now 3 to the 6. Now 4 plus 6 equal to what? 10. 10 by 15. Divide both numerator and denominator by 5, then you get what? 2 and 3. Okay, student, that means what? 2 by 3. We divide at first 5 in numerator, then you get 2. Now divide 15, that means denominator by 5, then you get what? 3. Now our result is 2 by 3. Student, in the exam, the digit will be sense. Okay, the digit will be same. Digit will be sense. Suppose 2 by 3, then in the exam hall there will be written 3 by 2 or 3 by 5. Okay, 2 by 15 in the exam will give the question like this way, 15 by 2. Okay, that means number will be sense. Okay, but rules are same. Okay, student. Look, student, now I would like to talk with you about our SW. Look, 8.8 exercise 2, page number 101, SW norm 2. SW norm 2, do addition. Okay, you see, do addition, question number 2, 4, 7, 8 and 10. Okay, student, and you submit this SW copy on 31/07/2021. That means 31st July on Saturday on 2021. Dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.